Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video. If you're learning English and want to improve your skills, this video is for you. In this video, we will talk about some easy and effective tips and tricks to help you learn English faster and better. Whether you are a beginner or someone who wants to improve, these tips will guide you on your journey to becoming a fluent English speaker. So let's get started. 1. Set clear goals. The first step in learning English is to set clear goals. Ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Do you want to speak fluently, write better, or understand native speakers? When you have a goal, it becomes easier to stay motivated. For example, if you want to speak fluently, your goal could be, I will practice speaking for 20 minutes every day. If you want to improve writing, your goal could be, I will write one short paragraph in English daily. Setting small and clear goals will help you stay focused. 2. Practice every day. Consistency is key when learning a new language. Even if you practice for just 10-15 minutes a day, it is better than studying for many hours once a week. Here are some simple ways to practice daily. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Read English books, articles, or newspapers. Write a short diary entry in English every day. Speak with someone in English, even if it is just a simple sentence. 3. Listen more than you speak. Listening is very important in language learning. When you listen to native speakers, you learn new words, correct pronunciation, and how sentences are formed. Here are some ways to improve your listening skills. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Watch English YouTube videos. Try to follow conversations in movies without subtitles. Repeat what you hear to practice pronunciation. Think in English. One of the best tricks to learn English faster is to think in English. Many learners first think in their native language and then translate into English. This slows down their speaking. Try these methods to think in English. Describe things around you in English. When you are walking, think about what you see and say it in your mind in English. If you don't know a word, try to explain it using simple English instead of translating. 5. Improve your vocabulary. Learning new words is very important to improve your English. But don't just memorize words without using them. Here's how you can build your vocabulary. Learn 5-10 new words every day and use them in sentences. Write new words in a notebook with their meanings and example sentences. Play word games or use flashcards to remember words. Try to use new words in your daily conversations. 6. Practice speaking with confidence. Many English learners feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are a part of learning. Here are some tips to gain confidence in speaking. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Record yourself speaking and listen to how you sound. Join a language learning group or find a speaking partner. Don't worry about grammar at first. Focus on expressing yourself. 7. Use English in daily life. Make English a part of your daily routine. The more you use English, the better you will get. Here are some ideas. Change your phone and social media language to English. Try to think and talk to yourself in English. Label objects in your home with English words. When shopping, read product labels in English. 8. Use online resources and apps. There are many free online resources to help you learn English. Some of the best apps and websites are Duolingo, for vocabulary and grammar practice. BBC Learning English, for listening and pronunciation. YouTube, for English lessons and conversations. Hello Talk, to chat with native English speakers. Anki, for memorizing new words with flashcards. 9. Learn grammar in a fun way. Many students find grammar difficult, but you don't have to memorize boring rules. Try these fun ways to learn grammar. Read short English stories and notice sentence structures. Watch grammar videos with examples. Play grammar games online. Write simple sentences and ask a friend or teacher to check them. 10. Surround yourself with English. The best way to learn a language is to be surrounded by it. If you live in a non-English speaking country, you can still create an English environment. Follow English pages on social media. Listen to English songs and try to sing along. Read English books, even if they are for children. Join online English communities to talk with others. 11. Be patient and don't give up. Learning a language takes time and you may feel frustrated sometimes. But don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes and that's how we learn. If you keep practicing every day, you will see improvement. Stay motivated, believe in yourself, and enjoy the process of learning English. Conclusion. In this video, we talked about some simple and effective tips to learn English faster. We discussed setting goals, practicing daily, improving listening and speaking skills, learning new words, using online resources, and making English a part of your life. Remember, the key to success in learning English is patience and practice. Keep going, and you will achieve your goal of speaking English fluently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.